Do you see what is this? It's a list view, and I will explain it in 5 minutes. Also, stay for end of the tutorial because I will introduce you a new startup I'm creating, so stay tuned. So, hello guys and welcome to this next tutorial about the Android Studio programming, and in this tutorial I will learn you the list view. So let's get to it because I want to make it in 5 minutes. So basically I will delete these things and I will create a new list view right here. So list view, and basically drag and drop it right here, and ID will be whatever you want. I will call it as list view. Okay, now this is an error pop-up, but we can basically delete it because we don't need it, like this. Okay, and I will make a list view connectivity by ID. So list view like this, and make an string array, so with these brackets string, and I will call it as item, and it is equals to these brackets, and in these brackets you can make many items you want. So I will make only as 3 items, so item 2 and basically the item 3, like this. Okay, now we'll make the connectivity as said. So list view is equals to group dot find you by ID. When you don't know why is there group or what is fragment or whether another thing, because why is here group and what is the context, please check out my last videos. You can basically tap the link up in this video. So okay, next I will create an array adapter. So array adapter, and in string like this, and I will name it as adapter, and it's equals to new array adapter, and it is as group dot get context, and Android here as Android dot r dot layout and dot simple list item dash 1. So and the last parameter is this item, so and char is here this item. So item like this, and basically close it. And next we will make the connectivity between the list view and the adapter. So list view dot set adapter and adapter. Okay, now we can play our program and launching, installing. Okay, and here basically this we created in the last videos. So like this, hello world, positive button, back button, and you should see here item 1, item 2 and item 3, but when I click on it's not working, nothing pop up. So we will fix this. Here we should create an list view dot set on click listener, like right here in new array view, new adapter view, and click listener. So like this, and here we will make a log. So log.I, and I basically the tag will be as clicked, and this will be the item right here, this item. So item, and in these brackets will be this position because it's this position of the item. So position like this, and when I close this and run the application, it will basically pop up the lock in here. So I will turn out the run and run this application we create in last tutorial. So H hello world, positive button, second activity, and back item 1, item 2 and item 3. And when I click the item, you should see here clicked item 1, item 2, 3, and basically it's working and is doing what it does. So okay, this is for list view, but the in this video I will also explain the array list, so stay excited and we'll go out for the array list. Okay, so we create an list view, and now I will teach you how to change this array, strings array, to an array list. So now let's get to it, and we can basically delete this and make it as array list string, and this is equals so array list, and this is equals to new array list. Okay, like this. And the difference between the string array and array list is that we can make many items with basically with a for loop. So I will make a for loop, and basically it's more comfortable, so I will make it as array list e is less or equals to 10, like this, and e plus plus. Here we basically add the array list dot add item, and with this integer value with e, so it will be the size, so what item it is. Now we should change this, and we create another the string array and add all these values to the string array. So another string this item is equals to new string, and here will be ArrayList.size. So the length of this string array will be ArrayList size. So we will create another for loop for the connectivity between the array list and items. So int e is equals to null, and e is less to ArrayList.size. Perfect. And I plus plus. And here we will basically make an item e is equals to ArrayList.get I, like this. Perfect. And in here we will change this item to ArrayList.get and position. Okay, so now basically we run our application in here, and here we will make what we do in our last tutorials, and in here you should see that from 0 to 10 we create an array list, and we can basically make as many items we want. Okay, so before we go, please check out my Instagram, because I will pasting everything about my new startup here. It will be an Android Studio application, and it will be about learning the Android Studio basics for beginners. So stay excited. I haven't seen any application with these parameters as I want to make mine. So I think it's everything from me, and I hope you learn something new, and basically bye bye.